Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month you're getting 2-in-1, 2 tofu marinade recipes in one video. These marinades can go with any protein of your choice. With that said, let's go. This is what you'll need for the smoky rich marinade. And this is what you need for the more traditional soy sauce marinade. For the first marinade, simply combine the ingredients from the first slide and give it a proper mix. Pour it over the cubed tofu, seal the lid and shake it off till covered. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight. For the second marinade, you do the same. Combine the ingredients from the second slide and give it a mix. Pour it over a new batch of cubed tofu, shake it properly and let it sit for an hour or overnight as well. You can either pan fry them till crispy to your liking, or air fry as I did, 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes while flipping it halfway through. It gave it that extra crunch I love so much. Comment down below how crunchy and crispy you like yours, and what you ate them with, or heck, ate them as is. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow the channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!